What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be installing my injectors today. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's getting a little cloudy. So here are my injectors, 1000 cc. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is let me see, it's not this one. So yeah, guys, this one right here, let me show you. Guys, see that? I'm not sure if that'll affect it too much. I mean, damn. I think AutoZone should sell these O-rings, or I'm not sure if the stock ones work on these. I'm gonna check the plugs on the O-rings on my stock ones. If they're the same thing, I'll just swap them out. Hopefully they are. But yeah, that's going on today. All right, guys. So I got everything loose. Pretty easy. You know, there's these 12 mil bolts right here. Throttle body coolant lines. The evap sensor right here, just unplug it. And that's pretty much it. Right now it should come off. I need both hands for this, so let me just take it off real quick. All right, guys, so we got the manifold off. Now we just take the fuel rail off. There's 4 12 mil bolts, 2 right here, 2 in the back. Unplug the injectors and pop it off. And you also might have to either you could take it off from right here or right here, whichever you prefer. I'll probably just ended up taking it off from right here, but put like a rag or something because it's gonna throw out some gas. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, guys, so here it is. I already got one out. Actually, this one just got like stuck in there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to use these O-rings right here for the one that we saw that little crack on. It looks exactly the same. I'm gonna just make sure. Worst case scenario, I go to AutoZone. I'm pretty sure they have O-rings that they sell in like a little box or something, but it looks the same. So let me just take all of these off. I'll do that one. I'll do that injector with the bad O-ring last. And yeah, guys, when you put these in, just put some lube or something so they slide in pretty easy in these holes. Same when you go put them back on right here. Just put some lube so they slide in pretty easy. You don't want your injectors leaking. So yeah, guys, let me do that real quick. All right, guys, quick update. They're all in. So we're gonna put this back together and call it a day, because either way I have to wait for my GTR spark plugs. So I'd rather leave the manifold off for that. It would just be more way more comfortable to do. So yeah, I'm gonna just plug this back in. I hope these adapters are the ones for the, I mean, they should be, but get this all plugged in. And yeah, remember, guys, lube the bottom just so they go in easily. You don't want these breaking or anything. So yeah, go this back. All right, guys, this is a couple, like, honestly, this is probably like a week later. I put the GTR spark plugs in the car. I put everything back together in here. I mean, nothing is tight. Everything is, as you can tell, is loose. I'm gonna send it to my boy shop in maybe tomorrow or in a few days, so you can finish up the rest, which is pretty much just setting up the scavenge pump, running all the wastegate lines, and what else? The wastegate lines, the blow off valve, vacuum lines. It's pretty much all the little, just basic stuff. Nothing crazy left to do. And then all I have to do is I'm gonna drain the tank and fill it up with E85, because I'm going E, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hey, guys, this is how this car is looking. I mean, nothing has changed. Just been sitting for this past week. I redid these wheels yesterday. I sanded them down, did a bunch of stuff. I added the inky stinker, repainted it, so it looks way better. And trust me, they look way better than they were before. But either way, I did all that work just so I could sell them, because I'm trying to get some welds for the rears. You know, that's the goal for the car. And I also got right here. Oh no, this is the water. Yeah, this is the water one. But then I also got a wide band over there. You know, I'm gonna set them up right here in the middle. So I'll probably try to do that myself, just to learn. It's always good to learn stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Hopefully by the next video, the car is, you know, the first startup of the car. I hope so. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the vid, and I'll see you guys in the next one.